So to be able to identify the cadences, you're looking at the last few chords that you see in an example. So I'm in the key of G major for number 1. My final chord is a G, a D, and a B. To put that in order, that would be a G, B, D chord, which means that in the key of G, it's a 1. So this would be a major 1. And since the G is the bottom note that I have, it's in root position, so I don't need to write anything other than the major 1. The chord right before it, I have an F sharp, an A D, and another D. F sharp A C would be a chord, A C E would be a chord, and D F sharp A would be a chord. So in this case it's a D F sharp A chord. So since D is my root, D is the 5th note in the key of G, so it is a 5. And since it's D F sharp A, that's going to be a major 5. And then finally, since the root is up here and not in the bass, the lowest note I have is the F sharp. D, F sharp A, the F sharp is the 3rd, so it's in first inversion. I would write a 5-6. The chord right before that, E, C, G, and another C. E, G, B would be a chord, C, E, G would be a chord, and since those are the 3 notes that I have, C, E, G, this is the root, C. C is a 4 in the key of G, and that is a major chord. And since C is up here and it's not in the bass, C, E, G, E is the 3rd. Again, this is in first inversion. So you have a 4-6 going to a 5-6 going to a 1. It would be an authentic cadence because it's 5-1, but since this first one here is inverted, it's going to be an imperfect authentic cadence. You would label that as an I, A, C.